And then this time, guys, we're gonna give you an OPM song. And it goes to all the couples here tonight. Commercials again, those who just came and welcome you guys. Yes, welcome to our first set. Still with a music mix band here tonight, people. And you can catch us every Friday from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. So I hope you're having fun and I hope you enjoy the music while staying here at the Avenue. Alright, now this time, here's a song from DJ. Di man araw-araw na nagkangiti, ilang beses na rin tayong umihindi. Di na mabilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away ba't di natin na namamalayan. Ang hirap buhat lahat, ikaw ang paborito kong desisyonan. Nabaligiran ang ingay at ng gulo, hindi ko mapapalit, hindi mo sa mundo. Ito na tayo sa muli palagi, babalik pa rin sa yakap mo, mahal sa muli palagi. Pipiliin kong maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Alright, thank you very much, guys. And a song TJ Montec. Oh, wow, that's not for you.